Are you sitting now at the beginning of the year wondering if you're going to achieve anything this year because life is just so busy, everything keeps happening, you come to December and you never got around to your goals. Resolutions don't seem to work. And if you are lacking that clarity of what goals you want to work on and don't feel like you have a sense of direction, I have something exciting for you. We are going to be running my One Courageous Goal Challenge next week. I have run it for a few years now, and we're going to bring in some of the latest research I found in terms of creating new habits, and it's all science-backed information about setting goals. I'm going to help you through a process where we reflect from last year, where we get all the learnings and we take it forward and we do something transformational this year. We do something that is really going to make a big difference in our life. That is going to be our focus for the year. So join me next week for my 5-day challenge. It's just 20 minutes to half an hour a day with me, a little bit of homework each day, and you will leave with an action plan, accountability structures, and a very motivating, clear intention for the year. It's like taking that word for the year to a whole new level. So join me, register below, and let's create one courageous goal for 2025.